O-Bless and OnPassive form the perfect union. OnPassive is the unparalleled wealth creation system ever devised. The wealth building of OnPassive has no limits. The genius behind the concept of OnPassive is Mr. Mufareh. Mr. Mufareh gathered from all the world information on what area of the planet holds the absolute best technological brilliance. He landed on an area in India located in Bangalore, India. OnPassive outgrew that facility and moved to a place called Hyderabad in Telangana, India, commonly known as HITEC City. HITEC City is the hub of the high-tech world of technology. The who's who of the technology world occupy that space called HITEC City in Hyderabad. India is blessed with the best tech engineers and developers of AI and ML technology in existence. Mr. Mufareh hired the absolute best that India has to offer. They are working each day to bring the fruits of that labor, where humanity can benefit. One of the initial products designed by the tech team was the O-Bless Crowdfunding platform. O-Bless is the best crowdfunding system online and offline. Why is this important? Because people need help. O-Bless is ready to help them. It is not an accident that O-Bless was designed to help humanity. The designers of O-Bless wanted to show how much they love and care for people. People who have been abused by governments and countries, by other people. Now those ones have something that will give them the help they need. The designers of O-Bless built O-Bless to capture the way they love and care for humanity. The founders in OnPassive are at the forefront of this massive aid to help those in dire straits. How will founders be able to help? OnPassive's wealth-generating resources will be shared with its founders, and the founders will share their blessing with humanity. That will form this perfect union between machine and man. OnPassive creates O-Bless, and O-Bless delivers a blessing to humanity, with the aid of loving and caring founders. Mr. Mufareh and his technical staff have been able to program with code to AI-enhanced technology that reflects how they feel about humanity. AI machines can be programmed to follow the hearts of their developers. Other tech companies could do something like that, but they have chosen not to do that. That would upset those companies' stockholders, who are driven by selfishness and greed and the bottom line. O-Bless is not built that way. When the top 1% of people own twice as much as the bottom 90%, something needs to be done to change that trend. OnPassive and O-Bless are headed in the right direction. O-Bless will improve the lives of the bottom 90%ers. O-Bless will elevate depressed humanity by improving the lives of billions of loving people. It does not matter what country that you are living. O-Bless will help you. O-Bless and OnPassive are universal, touching every corner of this planet. Poverty and hunger have met their match. That match is OnPassive and O-Bless, the perfect union. John White, USA. A Bill Must Production.